Okay. Pressure node ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ adjust ಮಾಡು. Okay, right. So mole concept. So yesterday we have started this, the quantity which contained what? Avogadro number of particle. Therefore 1 mole is equals to how many particle? 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles, right? So this mole concept can be used for atoms, ions, molecule, electron, proton, neutron, everywhere. Okay, now let us see what is the relation between mole, atomic mass, atomic weight, and number, volume, etc. So this is also in last class we have written 1 mole is equals to, remember it is a gram molecular mass, right? 1 mole also equal to how many molecule? 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules, right? Then 1 mole also occupy how much volume? 22,400 ml. At what condition? At it must be STP condition. Okay, so this is also yesterday completed. Next, write calculation of mole. Continuation, write down calculation of mole. Okay, tell me, one is mole can be calculated from the given weight. If the mass is given, what is mole? Mole is equals to mass of the substance, yes or no? Mass of the substance divided by gram molecular mass. Mass by gram molecular mass. It is with respect to mass. Mole can also be calculated with respect to molecule. And tell me, if the molecule is given, what is the mole? So mole is equals to mass of the substance by gram molecular mass. If the number of molecule is given, so therefore mole also equal to number of molecules divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. That means Avogadro number of molecules. If the molecule is given, use this formula, number of molecules divided by Avogadro number of molecules in terms of molecule, and nothing but particle, or else you can write it is number of particles in place of molecule divided by Avogadro number of particle, which also gives same meaning. It is in terms of particle. Next one, tell me, in terms of mass is completed, in terms of particle completed, one more is in terms of volume. Then what is the mole in terms of volume? Can you tell me? Mole also equal to what you have written? Mass of the substance. No, in place of mass of the substance, can I take volume of the gas divided by gram molecular mass? In place of gram molecular mass, what we can write? 22.4 liter, because gram molecular mass always equal to what? 22.4 liter. So therefore mole also equal to, it is volume of gas divided by gram molar volume. It is in ml, gram molar volume. What is a gram molar volume? 22,400 ml. So these are the 3 different formulas to calculate the mole. Okay, so in PU level we study only this formula, mole is equals to mass by gram molecular mass. Okay. Do you understand? Now let us calculate mole. Some example. Okay. Write down question. Calculate the number of moles in the following. Calculate the number of moles in the following. Consider. Okay. So calculate the number of moles in the following. Write 1. Write down 10 gram hydrogen, 2 40 gram helium, 3 88 gram CO2, 4 180 gram water, 5 1.8 gram glucose. Calculate the number of moles. Tell me. Here, to calculate the number of mole, first of all, we should identify what is given. Mass given, or is it mass given, or particles given, or volume given? Mass given. If the mass is given, what is the formula? Mass by gram molecular mass. If the particle is given, you can use this formula. If the volume is given, you can use this formula. Right? Mass given. Therefore, since mass given, mole is equals to, what is the formula? The mass of the substance divided by gram molecular mass. Okay. What is the mass given? 10 gram. 10 gram of hydrogen. So, what is the molecular mass of hydrogen? 2. One hydrogen is 1, no. Atomic mass 1. Molecular mass is 2. Therefore, 10 by 2, that is 5. Next, that is 1. Next, 2. Tell me fast. 40 grams of helium. So, that is N is equals to number of moles. 40 by 4. It is 10. Helium exists as an atom. We should take atomic mass. Next, 3. Tell me, 88 grams of CO2. 88 divided by CO2 is 44. That is 2. Next, number of moles of water. 180. Molecular mass of water is 18. So, 180 by 18, 10. Next, number of moles of glucose, 1.8 grams of glucose. Mass is 1.8, molecular mass of glucose is? Very good, 180. C6H12O6, no. I told you should remember molecular mass of some important compound, particularly solution topic we use glucose, fructose, sucrose, right? It is molecular mass of glucose, fructose is 180. So, therefore, 1.8 by 180 equal to 0. Tell me, 0.1 mole. In this way, you can calculate mole when mass is given. Next, one more question. Calculate the number of moles in the following. Calculate the number of moles in the following. Have you written? 1. 3.011 into 10 power 23 molecules of CO2. 2. 9.0 9.066 into 10 power 23 molecules of O2. 6.022 into 10 power 20 atoms of helium. 3.011 into 10 power 22 atoms of sodium. 9.066 into 10 power 19 molecules of glucose. Okay. Any doubt here? So calculate the number of moles. Can you? Come on, tell me. So if here in all the case molecules given, right? It's nothing but particle. When the particles are given, what is the formula to calculate mole? Mole is equals to number of particles or number of atoms or number of molecule, right? Number of particles divided by Avogadro number of particle, that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Right? Number of particles divided by Avogadro number of particle. So therefore, now tell me here, what is the number of moles in case of first one? Number of particles, no? It is given 3.011 into 10 power 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. So it is nothing but 0.5. Right? Similarly, tell me here, number of moles also equal to, it is number of particles 9.066 into 10 power 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. And tell me, it is 2s or 3s or no? 3 by 2, yes or no? Approximately. So it means 1.5. Baralva. See, 2. Yeah. 3 baruta. Okay. It took 3 no. Let it know. After cancellation, you'll get 3. 9 point. No. Tell me, it is a 3 2s are no? It is a 3 3s are no? The same thing written here. Okay. Fine. Next, this one. 10 power. So number of particles given here 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by, it is 6.0 did 20. Okay, this is 23, it is 20. Okay, right. So 20 by 23, it means 10 power minus 3. Like that. Now tell me this. In numerator it is a 3 into approximately 3.011 into 10 power 22 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23. 0. Okay. Last one. Number of molecules given 9.066 into 10 power 19 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 1.5 into 10 power minus, yes. So if the particles are given, you can use this formula to calculate mole. Okay. Next, one more question. If volume is given, write the question. Calculate the number of moles. Calculate the number of moles in the following. Calculate the number of moles in the following. 1. 5.6 liter O2. 2. 22,400 ml N2. 3. 11,200 ml. Anything. Either you can take ml or liter. 4. It is 44.8 liter hydrogen, and let 5 here. It is 2.18 liter of NO2. Okay, so calculate the mole. So here in all the case volume is given, no? Tell me, when the volume given, what is the formula? Mole is equals to volume of gas divided by 22,400 ml. This should be what? ml. Okay, so both the volume should be in same units. It should be ml or liter also can take. For example, take first one, 5.6 liter oxygen. So therefore tell me, what is n equal to? N equal to 5.6 divided by 22.4, because it is liter. You should take, it should be in liter. 1 by 4 alva? 1 za, 4 za. It means 0.25 moles. Next, second one. 0.25. 1. So already it is at 22,400 ml nitrogen. We know that 22,400 ml of any gas, which is equals to 1 mole. Okay, right? Therefore, it is 1 mole. Next. So it is a 11,200 ml. So 11,200 ml, it is half of the 22,400, no? Yes or no? So therefore 11,200 ml divided by 22,400, which is equals to 0.5. Next, fourth one. It is a 44.8 liter. So therefore, mole is equals to 44.8 divided by 22.4, which is equals to 2 moles. Last one, it is a 2.18 divided by liter, no, 22.4. What do you get approximately? Tell me approximate value. We'll get it is 8 approximately. ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ 8 ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ 2. Mostly 8. Okay, you do it later. No, listen. Okay, so 1 mole, let us take 1 mole is related to, so already yesterday we have studied. Tell me, this 1 mole related to 1 mass, what mass it is? Gram molecular mass, gram molar mass. 1 mole also related to particle, how many? 6.022 into 10 power 23 particle, that is molecules. Okay, these many molecules. 1 mole also related to particles, no, how many particles? 6.022 into 10 power 23 into Z, these many, this is molecule, right? This is what? It is atoms, where Z is equals to atomicity. Next, it is also related to even volume also. How much? 22.4 liter. It must be at STP. Okay. Now, related to this, for example, let us take 1 mole CO2, carbon dioxide. Come on, tell me, 1 mole carbon dioxide equal to what is the mass? I want its mass. What is the mass of 1 mole CO2? 1 mole equal to gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass is 44 gram, which is equals to 44 gram. Right. Similarly, 1 mole CO2 is also contain how many molecules? That is Na molecules. Very good. Now I want 1 mole CO2 has how many total atoms? 3 into any atom, because 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. So 3 into Na atoms. But actually I want how many oxygen atom, how many hydrogen atom? No, how many carbon? First tell me. That is Na carbon atoms, right? Na carbon atoms. How many oxygen? 2. That's it. 2 Na oxygen atoms. Next, 1 mole carbon dioxide can occupy how much volume of gas? How much volume? 1 mole equal to 22,400 ml at STP condition. Okay. Now question is this. Now question can be asked like this. By giving mole, they expect what is the mass? By giving mole, they expect molecule. By giving mole, they expect atom particles. By giving mole, they expect volume. For example, if I give, question is, there is a 1.5 mole of oxygen. Okay, 1.5 moles of oxygen occupy how much volume? 1.5 moles of oxygen occupy how much volume?
1.5 into
हाँ, 1 mole is equals to 22,400 ml, right? But actually we want 1.5 mole equal to how much? 1.5 into 22,400 ml. It means by giving mole, they expect what is the volume, what is mass, what is Na, what is this, right? That a question. And do you understand? That. Right. Calculate the mass, molecules, number of atoms and volume of following gases. Okay, let us take one 10 mole CO2, 2.5 mole N2, 3, 5 mole ammonia, 4, 1.5 mole nitrous oxide, 5, 6 mole helium. Okay, tell me what you have to calculate. One is mass, molecule, atoms, even volume also. Okay, now let's calculate first mass. It is molecule. Next, atoms. Volume. Okay, tell me 10 mole CO2 is equals to what is the mass? Now we are studying reverse.
440 grams.
10 mole CO2 equal to what is the mass? We know that 1 mole CO2, you do like this. 1 mole CO2 is equals to 44 grams, no? This is we know. Why? Mole equal to molecular mass. 1 mole equal to 1 mole CO2 equal to 44 grams. Then given that how many? 10 mole. So 10 mole CO2 equal to 10 into 44. It means 440 grams answer. Understand? Next, second one. Second one. Come on, tell me. What is the second one? No, we'll do later. 2.5 moles of N2. Okay. First tell me 1 mole N2 equal to what is the mass? Very good. 14 grams. Why? 14 or 28? 28 grams. Right. 1 mole nitrogen equal to 28 grams. Because molecular mass. 1 mole equal to 28 grams. But given that how much? 2.5 mole. It means 2.5 mole is equals to dash number of grams. 2.5 into, right, it is a 2.5 multiplied with what? 28. Okay, let it be. Next, 5 moles of ammonia. What is the 1 mole of ammonia? 17 gram. 5 mole is 5 into 17 gram. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ, you just multiply gram molecular mass with mole. Next, 1.5 moles of N2O. 1.5 into 44 N2O. Next, helium. 6 mole helium. So what is atomic mass of helium? 4. Therefore 1 mole equal to 4 grams. 6 mole equal to 6 into 4 grams. Right? That's it. In this way you can calculate mass. What about number of molecules? Molecules. Tell me, 1 mole. We know that 1 mole is equals to how many molecule? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Yes. Can I take this is Na molecule? Okay. So therefore 1 mole equal to Na molecule. But how many mole given? 10. Therefore how many molecule here? 10 Na molecules. You just multiply with mole. 2.5 into Na molecule. It is 5 into Na molecule. Next, 1.5 into Na molecule. Next, 6 Na molecule. Okay. Then if you know the number of molecule, it is easy to calculate atoms, because how do you convert molecule to atoms? Multiply with atomicity. Okay, so what is the atomicity in case of CO2? 3. Therefore 3 into 10 into Na. You write this 10 as it is, multiply with atomicity. Next here 2 into 2.5 into Na atoms. Here 4 into 5 Na. Next it is 3 into 1.5 into Na atoms. It is atomicity is 1 into 6 Na. It means helium exists as atom, therefore its atomicity is 1. Then volume. How do you calculate volume? We know that 1 mole of any gas can occupy 22,422.4 liters at STP. Right? At STP condition, 1 mole is always equal to 22.4 liters volume at STP. Okay, but here given how much? How many mole here? 10 mole. Since it is a 10 mole, 10 into 22.4 liter. Right? It is how many mole? 2.5 into 22.4 liters. It is 5 into 22.4 liters. Next, 1.5 into 22.4 liters. Next, 6 into 22.4 liters. It is at STP condition. Okay, let us do some numericals based on this. Understand now? Okay, write one question. Which of the following has Which of the following has highest number of atoms? Which of the following has highest number of atoms? Option A, highest number of atoms. Option A, 10 mole CO2. B, 5 mole glucose. C, 2.5 mole N2O. D, 1 mole CH3COOH. So which of the following has highest number of atoms?
Second option.
Okay. Tell me, how to calculate number of atoms? It is 10 mole, no? 10 mole has how many atom? It is 10 into Na into atomicity 3. Right? This is no. So 10 into 10 is a mole, because 1 mole is Na. 3 is a number of atoms. Second one, 5 into atomicity. What is the atomicity of this glucose?
24.
Glucose C6H12O6, 24 into Na. So here number of atoms 2.5 into what is atomicity? 3 into Na. Here 1 mole into atomicity 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into Na. So in which of the following has more number of atoms? So glucose, because atomicity nodi, atomicity 24. That's what it has, highest number of atoms. If the question is which of the following has lowest number of carbon atoms? Least number of carbon atom, which is?
N2.
Option C. You need not to calculate, here only you can see. It is a C barutta, D barutta? C only. It is a 2.5 into 3, no? It is 8. So it is option C is lowest, option B is highest. Okay. Next, one more. Okay. Which of the following has highest mass? Which of the following has highest mass? It is 11,200 ml CO2, 5,600 ml N2, 22,400 ml O2, 11,000, it is 44,800 ml O3. So which of the following has highest mass? Here volume is given. See, when volume is given, you convert into mass. How do you convert? How do you convert volume to mass? Tell me, it is CO2, no? CO2. What is the molecular mass of CO2? 44, no? We know that 44 grams of CO2 is equals to what is the volume? 22.4 liter, no? Or 22,000? This is we know. So because 44 gram is a molecular mass, this molecular mass is equals to gram molar volume. So 44 gram CO2 equal to 22,400 ml of volume. But the question is what? We want to calculate mass, that to what? 11,200 ml. So 11,200 ml of CO2 which mass is? Tell me. How do you calculate? It is 44 into this, right? 11,200 ml divided by 22,400 ml. It is 1 za, 2 za, it means 22 grams. Understand? Right. Still you can do in simple way. How? Anybody? 11,200 ml is CO2 equal to how many mole? 11,200 ml is always equals to 0.5 mole, no? Why? 1 mole equal to 22,400. So 1 mole equal to 22,400 ml, then this is given half, no? 11,200 ml is nothing but half mole. Half mole CO2, 1 mole CO2 44 gram, half mole CO2 you just convert into mole. That is easy. You understand? Right? So answer is 22 grams. Artha agilla? Okay. B. Tell me what is the mass? I'll do in terms of mole. Come on, tell me. B. 5,600 ml. 5,600 ml equal to how many mole? 22,400 ml equal to 1 mole, no? Yeah. 22,400 equal to 1 mole, right? But given how much? 5,000 is equal to how many mole? Means 0.25 mole, right? 0.25 mole. 0.25 mole means what is the mass? So we know that 1 mole equal to what is the mass? 20. No, mass. 1 mole equal to 28 grams molecular mass. Then how many moles given? 0.25. You multiply with 0.25 means 1/4. 7 gram. No, mass. 1 mole equal to 28 grams, 0.25 mole equal to how many grams? 0.25 multiply with 28. 0.25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1/4. 1/4 means 28/4. 28/4 is 7. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, so this is nothing but 28/4 equal to 7. Next, C. It is 7 gram. Tell me, C. 22,400 ml equal to. So 22,400 ml equal to how many mole? 1 mole. Vadalva? 1 mole O2 equal to what is the mass? 32 grams. That's it. Theoretically, this is 32 grams. Next, last one. Ozone. 44,800 ml. We know that 22,400 ml equal to how many mole? 1 mole. Then 44,800 is the double, no? 2 mole agutte. 2 mole. 2 mole ozone. But 1 mole ozone equal to what is the mass?
64.
1 mole ozone equal to 48. 16. Atomic mass alva? Ozone 16 plus 16 plus 16. O3 48. 1 mole equal to 48 grams. Then how many moles here? No, this is how many moles? 2 moles. 2 moles equal to, so 48 into 296 grams. Then tell me which one has highest mass?
Ozone.
Last one, ozone. Like this. It bit difficult, not difficult, confusing. But if you practice, it become very easy. It requires a lot of practice. Okay. One more question. Which of the following has or which of the following occupy? Which of the following will occupy? Which of the following occupy highest volume at STP? Which of the following occupy highest volume at STP? Okay, at STP condition, which can occupy highest volume? 1. 4 gram helium. 2. 88 gram CO2. 3. 1.7 gram ammonia. 4. 64 gram oxygen. Not 64, 6.4. 6.4 gram oxygen. Which occupy highest volume? Now this relation is given between mass and volume. Fast. Which occupy highest volume? No idea. Okay. Second one. Let's see. Tell me the relation between mass and volume. It is 4 gram, no? What is the atomic mass of helium? 4. Therefore, 4 gram helium is equals to what is volume? 22,000. It means 22,400 ml. Next, here CO2. What is the mass of the CO2? 44 gram molecular mass. 44 gram CO2 equal to how much volume? 22,400 ml. But what is given here? 88, right? 88 gram is equals to how much? 44 is 22.4. I mean 22,400. 88 is double, no? It means how much? 44,800 ml. Next, third one is ammonia. What is the molecular mass of ammonia? 17 gram. 17 gram ammonia is equals to how much volume? 22,400 ml. 17 gram. But given 1.7 gram. Tell me, 1.7 gram ammonia equal to what? It is equals to what? 22,410 means 2,240 ml, right? You will note the denominator, decimal point. 17 equal to this, 1.7 equal to 1 decrease, no? Next, oxygen. 32 gram oxygen equal to 22,400 ml. Hoda? Then tell me 64 gram, 6.4 gram equal to 6.4 gram equal to how much volume? 6.4 into 22,400 ml divided by 32. Tell me what's answer? 4,480 ml. We want highest volume. Answer is second option.